Hey, welcome back. Thought I'd make mascarpone cheese today. We're going to start off with a couple of cups of cream. We're going to bring that up to 185 degrees. Now you want to keep stirring this because you want this to heat evenly. You don't want any cold spots or whatever. You'll notice the temperature goes down when I start stirring it. We want this to be a consistent 185 degrees. So I'm going to stir throughout the process. Okay, we're at 185 degrees. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Freshly squeezed, it works best. Also, tastes best. Now we're going to cook this, trying to maintain the 185 degrees for 3 full minutes. Okay, 3 minutes have gone by. We're going to give it a nice stir here. And then we're going to let this cool for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to set my clock for 25 minutes. Okay, we've cooled it for 25 minutes. I gave it a stir every now and then. It's time to start removing as much liquid as we can. One thing you'll notice, it is thicker than normal cream, which is what we're looking for. So I've got this bowl, a strainer, and I'm going to throw a piece of, well, it's kind of like flour cloth. Very lint-free, should do fine. We'll let this cool for another 30 minutes or so, and then into the refrigerator. 8 hours later, this is what we have. We'll just scrape off the cheese and throw it in a bowl. One thing you'll notice is the consistency is a little inconsistent. You have some areas that are very firm and you have some that are very soft. If you're just going to make this for, home use and stuff like that, Go ahead and give this a good stir. You could throw it under a mixer on slow speed, but just give it a good mix. Since I'm going to be actually making something with it right away, I'm going to start adding in flavors. First thing in, lemon zest. Second thing, I'm going to throw in the juice of the lemon. Now this lemon didn't really have a lot of juice to it, so you can do this by taste. A good substitution is, if you have it, unfortunately I haven't made any in a while, limoncello would be great in this. A little bit of honey, and we're good. You'll notice my honey is very, very liquid. It had crystallized, so I warmed it up in the microwave to get it in a liquid form. Okay, you saw I've got a layer of chopped strawberries and a layer of our mascarpone lemon cream. I'm going to throw on a strawberry compote, actually a strawberry balsamic vinegar compote. So we're just going to hack up a bunch of strawberries. We're going to put the heat to that and add, I don't know, maybe a quarter cup of sugar. You can do this to taste. And I've got about an ounce of balsamic vinegar. And I just had some leftover lemon juice hanging around, maybe a tablespoon. We're going to bring this up until, well, the balsamic vinegar cooks down and it forms a nice thick syrup. Like that. Now, I did let this cool completely. Actually, I cooled it overnight. So we'll smooth this out just as best as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. You'll notice I got a little bit of the strawberry compote on top. I've got a trick to get rid of that. Or not, well, hide that. You'll see in just a second. Ginger snaps. I'm going to grind them up a bit, and then we'll throw them on top. Kind of a nice little crumb, little textural type change. You'll also notice I did save a couple of ginger snaps on the side for a little decoration. A little strawberry garnish. One last thing. I'm just going to throw a little balsamic reduction. Very simple. I just take some balsamic vinegar, a little bit of honey, and just reduce it down.